everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this floral foil design. I'm going to be starting off by using this bright pink gel polish. Now this is from Lavender Violets, I think it's called. However, I will double check and leave it linked in the description box below. And I'm just applying a really thin, even first coat of this. And then once I've applied this, I'll pop it in my LED lamp to cure for 60 seconds. As you can see, it's a proper bright pink colour, and today I was just feeling trying out something colourful. We are slowly creeping into spring, so I thought I would do a little bit of a spring inspired design. And here I've just applied that second coat of gel polish, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds as well. And then I'm going to be using the Goddess foil gel from Nirvana nail supplies and these pretty floral foils from Charlie's Nailer. I do have a discount code for Charlie's Nailer, so I will leave that linked in the description box below for you guys. And what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting out the section of the foil that I wanted to use because I didn't want too much of the excess on the nail. And I'm just going to show you guys that the foils have a matte side and a shiny side. When you're applying them, you need to make sure you're applying them shiny side up. And then here I'm just applying a thin layer of that foil gel to the entire nail, and I will pop it in to cure for 30 seconds. And then when that comes out of the lamp, it is super tacky, so you're able to stick your foil down into it. So to start off, I'm just positioning my foil roughly where I want it to be, and then I'm just going to come in and rub it down onto the nail. Now I do struggle doing this a little bit with gloves on. However, when I'm working with gel polish products, I'm usually wiping the sides of the nail and stuff, so I do always try to work with my gloves on so I'm not getting any overexposure to the products. But it's just a little bit trickier to apply foils with gloves on. But basically all you've got to do is make sure you are firmly rubbing that foil down, and then you will see that the image has stuck to your nail and you're able to peel off that backing paper. And then you're left with your pretty foil design. So then to seal that foil in, I'm going to come in with a thin layer of top coat. So I'm using my Modelones no wipe top coat, just applying a thin even layer of this to the nail, and then I will pop it in to cure for 60 seconds. Annoyingly, I just noticed a little hair there in the corner, so I had to get rid of that and then just re-top coat the corner. Now, when I'm using anything like foils or decals or stamping, I always like to double top coat just to make sure that piece of nail art is securely sealed in and that it's not going to chip or wear away. So here I'm coming in with a second layer of that top coat, and in this layer of top coat I'm also going to set in some little tiny AB crystals. And these are the mixed size AB crystals from the Crystal Studio. I will leave the Facebook page for them linked in the description box below, so do check them out. They've got some lovely products at reasonable prices. And then I'll pop this in my LED lamp to cure for 60 seconds, and this is the final result. I was really pleased with how it turned out. I loved doing something fun and bright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you all again in the next video. Bye bye!